Hello traders. We just found a machine learning moving average that is 10 times more dominant than the regular moving average. This indicator is based on artificial intelligence, which means it learns from all the data it has collected in the past, such as visual perception. The reason for this is to optimize the moving average according to market conditions. This magic tool gives almost zero fake signals in both range and trending markets. In this video, we will teach you a full strategy with machine learning MA so that you can start making consistent profits from trading. In order to apply this indicator to the chart, first log into your TradingView account and open the chart. Navigate to the indicator search bar and type machine learning optimization moving average. Click on this indicator created by Zerman. Once you've installed it on the chart, open its settings to make the following customizations. First off, in the input section, we need to select the amount of historical data we want machine learning to process. Here you have two options to select from: all data or custom data. Based on custom data, the indicator lookback will be limited to a certain number of bars. By default, this number is set to 1000. We recommend choosing all data. Once you've selected this option, you will see two moving averages appear on the chart. The next step is to choose an optimization goal. Here you have three options: performance, win rate, or combined. Performance means that you get the best MA value based on which MA period performed best in terms of number of percent caught. The win rate means that you get the best MA value based on the MA period that had the highest win rate. It is recommended to use the combined optimization goal. Once you've selected the historical data and the optimization goal, activate machine learning. The indicator will calculate and optimize moving averages accordingly. You can also select the type of moving average you would like to see on the chart. For the first moving average, we recommend using the EMA. However, you can choose from any of the 6 MAs available. The second MA in our strategy will be the whole Massachusetts. Keep the lengths default. The last customization option machine learning moving average has in the inputs is alerts. We will not use them in our strategy. By the way, on the table in the upper right corner, you can see information about the indicators such as loading time, stored data, optimized moving average, lengths, etc. The second indicator that completes our strategy is called the momentum-based zigzag. This tool was created by Peter_O. The momentum-based zigzag indicator is a technical analysis tool that combines the principles of momentum and the zigzag pattern to identify potential trend, reversals, and trading opportunities in the market. The zigzag pattern is a series of consecutive up and down price movements that form a series of peaks and troughs. This pattern helps identify price trends and reversals in the context of the momentum-based zigzag indicator. The zigzag pattern is created based on momentum calculations. The indicator offers many customization options as well. However, we won't change the inputs. The only thing we will do is uncheck the zigzag to make the chart cleaner. As you can see, the indicator issues buy and sell signals that are very easy to follow. In conjunction with the machine learning moving average indicator, the momentum-based zigzag accuracy is higher than you might think. So what are the entry rules for our trading strategy? Well, let's start with short trades. Here's the latest successful trade signal. Our strategy issued on the Euro-USD pair. Let's break down the exact conditions. First, a sell signal must be issued by a momentum-based zigzag. At the same time, the slow EMA must be positioned above the whole moving average. Lastly, the price bar must be closed below the EMA but above the whole Massachusetts. If the candlestick is closed below the whole Massachusetts, the signal should be ignored. In this example, we see that all the rules are in place. We would have opened a short trade at the close of the price bar and set the stop loss slightly above the recent swing high. The exit rules are very easy. We close the position manually as soon as the candlestick closes above the whole Massachusetts. Keep in mind that with this type of money management, we let the winning trade ride for as long as the price is closed below the whole Massachusetts. This way, the risk to reward ratio can get very high. Alright. Now let's take a look at the most recent long trade here. The momentum-based zigzag issued 3 long signals, 2 of which were confirmed. Can you guess which one isn't confirmed? It's the very first signal that doesn't meet the criteria for a long entry. If you've been paying close attention, you already know why. For a long signal to be valid, the zigzag indicator must first give a buy signal. Next condition is to have the slow EMA positioned below the Hull, Massachusetts. Finally, the candlestick must be closed between the moving averages on the first signal, the candle bar closed above the Hull, Massachusetts, which does not qualify for a long entry. The next two signals are confirmed. So we could have opened a long position right here and closed it when the price bar crossed below the Hull, Massachusetts. Okay, let's find a couple more trades. Here we have a good short signal with perfect timing. However, the profit on this one was smaller than on previous ones. But this is fine because we would rather close the trade with a small profit than keep the position open and suffer this massive loss. The beauty behind this AI moving average is that it will change its length depending on the time frame and market conditions. For example, let's switch the time frame to 1 hour. The indicator has loaded all the data and determined that the best length for the slow EMA based on performance and win rate should be set to 73. We check the signals and see that they are indeed very accurate. The strategy takes into account the market momentum and trend. Notice that the signals given by this strategy aren't too late. We enter the market when price makes a retraction after a sharp move or rally. If you want to increase the number of trade signals, you can do it by accessing the settings of the momentum-based zigzag and changing the momentum indicator from QQE to moving average. You can also customize the moving average type and length. We will select SMA with the length set at 20. Right away, we can see that the number of potential signals has increased. The indicator seems to have less lag, which is a good thing. You can also add a volume indicator to the strategy to filter out even more false trades. Pay attention to these examples and watch the video again if necessary. Now that we've completely learned this strategy, we want to test it on the GBP/USD chart. We achieved nearly more than 600% profit, and this much profit in such few trades is truly magically. And one very important thing, when you use this indicator on 5-minute or 15-minute time frame, then your stop loss will be very small. So it may be that the broker you use, they provide you very high spread, due to which your chances of hitting the stop loss will be high. So I would request you to use IC Market, which will provide you zero spread, and you will be able to execute pinpoint trades in market. Link in a description on this video. Join now. Traders, if you enjoy these video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for new strategy. But if you want to know about another great strategy that is just one, make sure to watch this next video shown on the screen. See you soon. Thanks for watching our video.